everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I am going to start the video with those who have not subscribed to the channel must subscribe. Then let's start today's video. How to make money online for beginners. One of the fastest growing segments of the global economy is the gig economy. There are jobs that can be done remotely over the internet and come with a very real cash payment. Income cash gigs are one-time jobs you can perform for a fee or a regular system of work you can do every week or month. Table of contents. In the articles, we all cover the most common ways people certainly make money online. The choice really comes down to what your skill set is and how much time you have available to invest into this new job market. Making money online for beginners. Where is any method for making money online for beginners? You are not a startup cost. Requires a special skill. Does not include complicated work process. Doesn't require much past experience. If this should like something you might want to tell, then read on the long nice potential site hustlers you can use to make money online. Number 1. Taking survey, low effort for a small reward. If you enjoy sharing your opinions and influencing how companies or even government make decisions, you will probably like talking online survey. Online survey companies poll people from all across the world on a number of topics and issues. Sometimes, sometimes these surveys are performed for companies who want to market business before getting or trying to sell products. In other cases, government organizations may turn to survey companies to keep the push of the public on a specific topic. In return for taking survey, the survey companies will pay you. In most cases, payment is in the form of a gift card, but in other cases, it could be a staggered payment via PayPal. It's a great way to make a little extra money. Once you start talking survey, you will realize quickly that it's hard money market. For example, a topical payout at Ipsos IC is 2,500 points for a $25 gift card. Considering a 30-minute survey may profit 125 points. You have to take 30 minute survey to get that 25, that basically earning $2.5 per hour. So do survey as a fun pastime, not only for the money. Writing and blogging for writers. If you are a good writer, you can certainly make money by writing for website. The blogger job board is a great place to start looking for these types of opportunities. However, you can even find website owners hiring on places like Craigslist or even Indeed and a smaller job website. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for the next video and share this video.